Hey guys, Lewis here. Today I'm comparing Kajabi versus Teachable, two of the most popular platforms for online course creators. I'll break down their features, pricing, and key differences so you can decide which one is the best fit for your business. Now, full transparency, I personally use Kajabi because I think it's the best all-in-one platform. But that doesn't mean it's perfect, and Teachable has its own strengths too. I'll walk you through the pros and cons of both so you can make the best choice for yourself. And if you do decide Kajabi is right for you, I've got a special 30-day free link trial, way longer than the standard 14 days, plus some exclusive bonuses, including my Kajabi Jumpstart course and premium Notion templates worth over $900. More on that later, but first, let's dive into the comparison. First off, let's talk about Teachable. When you visit teachable.com, you'll see a simple and easy to use website. It's built to help educators create and share online courses. The platform is all about building, hosting, and delivering structured learning content, which makes it perfect for sharing knowledge. Besides courses, Teachable also lets you offer coaching sessions and sell digital downloads. In addition to that, Teachable has a great feature called Teachable Pay. This built-in payment system handles payments and even takes care of tax calculations for you. Depending on where you are, it automatically manages tax requirements, so you don't have to worry about compliance. For example, if you're in a place with complicated tax rules, the system adjusts everything for you. Moreover, Teachable lets you add extra plugins and services to make it more powerful. This means you can pick the tools you need to shape your business just the way you want. It's a flexible option that gives you room to customize. However, this flexibility has its downsides. Teachable isn't an all-in-one platform, so you might end up paying extra for plugins. There are also transaction fees on every sale, which is something to keep in mind if you're thinking about growing your business in the long run. Now, let's talk about Kajabi. Unlike Teachable, Kajabi is built to handle every part of your online business in one place. It's not just for creating courses, it's your all-in-one hub. You can create courses, build websites, manage email marketing, and even handle payments, all without needing extra tools or services. For example, when you make a course on Kajabi, you can also create a custom landing page, set up automated emails, and track how customers interact with your content using built-in analytics. This all-in-one setup makes things easier and keeps your brand consistent at every step. Kajabi also has a big advantage when it comes to transaction fees. Unlike Teachable, which takes 5% from every sale on its basic plan, Kajabi doesn't charge any transaction fees. This means you get to keep all your earnings as your sales grow, without worrying about extra charges. Additionally, Kajabi makes payments simple with its built-in payment processing. It also supports Apple Pay, Google Pay, and even Afterpay, so your customers can pay quickly and easily. When it comes to pricing, both platforms offer a range of plans to choose from. Teachable offers plans that work well for beginners, with prices starting at $59 per month for the basic plan. It's a good option if you're just starting out and want something affordable. However, it's important to know that Teachable's basic plan comes with a 5% transaction fee on every sale. As your business grows and you start making more sales, these fees can add up over time, which might impact your overall profits. The Pro plan costs $159 per month. It removes the transaction fee, which makes it a great choice for businesses that are more established and growing. Teachable also has a Pro Plus plan for $249 per month. It comes with more advanced features to help you scale even further. For larger businesses, there's also the Enterprise plan. It has custom pricing and includes things like migration assistance, personalized onboarding, and premium support for enterprise needs. On the other hand, Kajabi's pricing is set up to match its all-in-one service. The Kickstarter plan costs $89 per month, and the higher plans cost $149, $199, and $399 per month. These prices are higher than Teachable's basic plan, but Kajabi includes a lot more features in its subscription. You get unlimited landing pages, email marketing tools, and website builders, all with no extra transaction fees. This can be a great option if you want something that cuts out hidden costs and keeps budgeting simple. When you compare Kajabi's monthly fees to the combined costs of Teachable's transaction fees and extra third-party tools, Kajabi might actually save you money in the long run. It's a solid choice for growing your online business. Next up, let's look at what each platform offers beyond the basics. Teachable is great if you want to focus on creating and sharing courses. It's built to help you host video lessons, quizzes, and downloadable materials. You can easily organize your course into sections and lessons, so it's simple for students to follow along. For example, if you're teaching a language, you can arrange lessons by topic or difficulty, making it easy for learners to move at their their own pace. Additionally, Teachable has tools to help you earn money from your courses. Its built-in payment system and tax management make it easy to sell courses even if your audience is from different countries. It's a straightforward way to reach more people and keep the process smooth. Conversely, Kajabi makes things even easier by bringing every part of your business into one place. It's not just for creating courses. You can also build sales funnels, create membership sites, host podcasts, and run email marketing campaigns. Everything you need is in one platform. The drag and drop editor in Kajabi is a great feature. It lets you design custom pages and update layouts without needing to know any coding. For example, if you're launching a wellness coaching program, you can create a stunning landing page, set up automated email sequences to follow up with leads, and schedule live webinars. You could do all of this from one dashboard. Another important factor to consider is the degree of customization they offer. Teachable is built to be simple and user-friendly. It's easy to upload your content, organize your lessons, and track how your students are doing. This focus on making course delivery smooth is great for people who want to put their energy into teaching. However, while Teachable's design is clean and easy to use, some people feel the customization options are a bit limited. If you're looking to create a highly personalized and branded experience, it might not give you everything you need. In contrast, Kajabi makes it easy to create a unique online presence. With its drag and drop builder, you can change templates, adjust layouts, and add your brand's style to courses, landing pages, and emails. For example, if you're creating a creative writing course, you can pick a nice template, tweak the colors and fonts to match your brand, and add custom buttons, all without needing any tech skills. This flexibility helps your online school look and feel special, connecting better with your audience. Moreover, Kajabi lets you customize every part of the platform. Your marketing pages, sales funnels, and membership sites can all have the same consistent style. This way, all your content feels connected and professional while staying true to your brand identity. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. As promised, I've got something special for you since you've made it all the way through this. I have a unique link that gives you a full 30-day trial of Kajabi instead of the usual 14 days. That means you'll get more time to dive in, set up your product, build your site, and test out all the features without feeling rushed. Simply check the link in the description of this video to grab your extended trial. This is an affiliate link, so I'll earn a small commission if you decide to keep your subscription after the trial. It doesn't cost you anything extra though, and you actually get more time to explore the platform. As a thank you for using my link, you'll get access to my Kajabi Jumpstart course. This is a quick program where I walk you through setting up your Kajabi account step by step. We'll cover everything from customizing your site to creating your first product. But that's not all. When you use my link, you'll also get my premium Notion templates for free. These templates are worth over $900, but you will get them all for free. The best part is you'll get access to the course and the templates instantly when you use my link. I want to make it easy for you to start strong, so you can focus on growing your business and making an impact from day one. If you want to know more, just let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to help you set up your online business with Kajabi. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.